Well, here we have a beautiful model of a Peco N Gauge tank. Then bang, oh dear, it fell on the floor. Not that one. And oh dear, somebody trod on it. So what we are left with is something that won't run and a pile of bits. Not to worry, we'll mend it with a Peco kit. Very straightforward, you would think. Well, there are a couple of things to look out for. Here's the tank in our Peco kit, and if you notice, there's a little cutout in the middle of the tank. The cutout is for the ladders to be attached, but our model didn't have any ladders, so therefore the tank doesn't have the piece missing, as can be seen. So just something to look out for. Here's our tanker on its way to being mended. Ideal opportunity, of course, for a bit of subtle weathering at the same time. And when we're finished, we'll have a tank left over. Don't throw it away because you don't have a chassis. Paint it up, renumber it, rename it, weather it. It can be a tank for the start of a static one, it can be for a diesel depot, or it can be just for the next Peco kit that you make up. There you go, nothing wasted. Happy modelling.